that make sense with them?
Yeah.
Yeah. You may decide to move out and go slower until you decide, but then it's never the way that you just did it, mate. Good. What's this gap telling the Audi? Don't close it down, because it's always likely to do that. Don't slow down too much though, you then cause too much problem with that one. So both of those reactions weren't spot on. You tried to close the space down, which is wrong because you're going faster into risk, and then you slowed too much to invite the second one out. What should have been the sort of like the fix for that then, do you think?
Slow.
Just steady and be ready to stop for the Audi was sufficient, and that then would have told the second silver one, we're still going, and you still could have stopped for that one also. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Good man. Good, and it was similar with that lady, wasn't it, to the left? You were ready to stop, but you didn't then go off and confuse that you were letting out. Good, perfect example to back it up, mate.